So, welcome in this Shopify video. I'm going to show you how to set your shipping. So, maybe you want to charge different shipping fees for different shippers or for different weight from the product. So, if you have a heavy product, you want to charge more shipping than if you want to have like an eyeliner, maybe you want to have free shipping. So, where the heck do you find your shipping options in Shopify? Because if you click on online store, you would think it would be in here or in preferences. But the best thing to find all these hidden gems, it's like just type it into the search bar. And it's Shopify admin shipping section. So here you can see your shipping origin, it's country where you ship from. And this address is used to calculate all the shipping rates. So I want to have different shipping zones. So inside Holland, I want to have a shipping zone for standard shipping to 5 kilos. I'm just going to charge $5, $4.99. You can set it here. And heavy goods, I want to charge maybe like $20. Oh, damn it. Make it 15. Make it 15. Hop. On the other hand, you can see if you buy something that is minimum $60, it's for free. Free shipping. Limit. So the rate is free. Oh, minimum order price has to be 60, not 60 cents. So you can use this. Hop. So everything under 60 has a rate of $5. Below 60. See? So standard shipping is $4.99. Is it below 60? It's $5. That's price based and weight based. So you can just choose whatever you want. But again, this is a domestic zone. You can save this. Go back to your shipping settings. You can add different countries because shipping stuff to, for example, Germany would cost more than $4.99 to me. So here again, you can do weight based and shipping based. So I don't want Germany in my domestic thing because it's not domestic. Rest of the world, that's Germany. See, it's the rest of the world as we know it. Calculate rates, you can delete the zone. So that's all in your shipping settings. Sample packaging. If you use Oberlo, it's not really necessary to do all this. This is the best page ever. You can do gift card, your taxes. We'll talk about that in a different video. Your sales channel. So if you don't know where to find stuff like the shipping stuff, go to the search bar on top and just type in shipping. So, hope this helped adjusting your shipping settings. Please check always your shipping settings and tax settings because you can lose so much money if these are wrong. And you just need to set them up once correctly and it's done. So, hope to see you back in the next video.